t-shirt business plan PDF that will walk you step by step through launching your own t-shirt business the way that God purposed you to do it. Watch this video to the end because you are going to have my exact step-by-step PDF guide that one of my students used to launch her very own t-shirt business just 1 month after learning it. Hey hon, it's Steph Rodness here, founder and CEO of God the Wood Girl and creator of the God the Girl School of Business. And welcome to my brand new 4-part t-shirt series where I'm going to teach you how to launch a t-shirt business just like this one. So if you want an amazing launch your t-shirt business PDF that's going to help you walk through this, make sure you check this out. Now, my goal for the God the Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower every woman of faith with the resources she needs to live God's greatest purpose for her life. So if that's you, make sure you hit that subscription button and let's get started taking a look at a t-shirt business plan PDF.
All right, I'm super excited to share with you my Launch Your T-Shirt Business Plan 10-step guide. This is the actual business plan PDF that I give to students in the God the Girl School of Business and those who purchased the Launch Your Business T-Shirt Business Masterclass that I taught. So this is the front page, and we're just going to go through it. I'm just going to give you an overview of what everything looks like, just so you have an idea of what you need to know in order to launch your t-shirt business. So let me go back to the beginning. I'm actually going to zoom way in so that you can see all of the steps. Okay, this should be enough. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the next page if it'll let me. Looks like it's not. That's funny. All of a sudden it wants to malfunction and not work. That's pretty hilarious. All right, you know what it is? Continuous scroll. That's what we got to do. Okay, here we go. The first thing you want to start with is the name of your t-shirt business. And the reason why I want to start with the name is because a lot of people launch t-shirt lines with no name. And if you have a t-shirt collection, but you have no way to name it, then you have no way to brand it. You know, and I know that everybody and their mama got a t-shirt business nowadays. So you need to know what the name is of your t-shirt business so that you can brand it when you are doing marketing and promotions. The second thing that's very important is understanding the purpose of your t-shirt business. This is what's going to make you stand out from the crowd. This is what's called product differentiation in business. This is what makes you unique from all the other t-shirt businesses out there. For example, for God the Wood Girl, I create t-shirts that remind women of Christ of their power as the chosen daughter of a risen king. I remind women that they are purposed, that they are blessed, that they are purposepreneurs, that they can soar, that they are courageous, that they will fight for their purpose. Those are the reasons that I create t-shirts. It's so that you can look down and remember, God has purposed me to do something really big with my life, and I can keep fighting to do this. So you need to know what the purpose is of your t-shirt business, because that marketing message is going to be what you use to communicate to your audience why they should actually purchase your t-shirts. The next step is product research. One of the biggest things that you can do as an entrepreneur is find a really hot market, yes, but also find a hole in the hot market that you can fill. For me, one of the biggest holes that I found in my market of Christian t-shirts, because there are like 30,000, 40,000 people search for Christian t-shirts online every single month. But the biggest hole that I saw in my market were t-shirts that empowered women of Christ to live their purpose. There are all these t-shirts about all these different things, but as far as uniquely empowering somebody to live for God-given purpose, I didn't see those t-shirts out there. So that is the hole that my shirt business fills in the market. So do your product research, find out what other companies in your industry, in your niche, are already doing t-shirts on, and then figure out what hole you can fill in that market. One of the greatest examples I saw was a really big fitness brand. A couple of years ago, there were all these companies producing these fitness shirts, but there was this one woman who she wore these shirts to yoga, and she needed something that was really fitted but flexible because everybody was giving her all this stretchy, loosey-goosey stuff. So she created a business of shirts that's fitted but flexible and ended up taking off because it turned out that a lot of women who did yoga wanted that shirt. So find that hole and you will be able to create a nice little niche for yourself. Now this section, what do my customers want for my t-shirts? This part is very important because we just did product research in the previous section, but in this section, this is market research. These are what your current customers want from you. Because even if you find a hole to fill in your niche, now you need to know what your current customers want from your products so that you can fill that hole, yes, but do it to your customer specifications. So what I do here is I just ask my email list, hey girls, I'm coming up with a brand new t-shirt line. What do you want for it to do? And a lot of the girls will tell me I want it to be sleeveless, I want it to be flowy, I want V-necks, I want scoop necks, I want white, I want black. And they'll tell me what they want. So do your market research and ask your customers, hey guys, I found this hole in the market. This is what I'm going to fill with my t-shirt line. This is the name of it. This is the purpose of it. What kind of shirts do you want? And they will tell you. And then you can design your t-shirt line based off of that. So now we go to your ideas for your t-shirt line. Now that you've done your product research, now that you know the purpose of your shirt line, now that you know what your customers want, you can create what's called a brand board. And this is kind of like a vision board, but it's for your shirt. And what you're going to do, so I'm going to zoom out of this. Wow, my computer is like really glitching right now. It doesn't usually do this. What you're going to do here for your brand board is you're going to go ahead and put down all your ideas based off of your product research, your market research, the branding for your company, of what you want your t-shirt business to look like, what you want your first line of t-shirts to look like. So you can go to Pinterest.com and pull images of really cool quotes and colors and things like that that inspire you and that really fit the need of the data you gathered when you did your research. And you want to do this before, I'm just going to try to zoom out here because it's not working here. I'm not sure why. Let me see if I do that. Maybe if I do this. Okay, we'll just do that for now then. So I have 2 pages up now. So you're going to put all your images here so you can take a look and just put all your concepts in one place. So it's kind of like your mood board. So when you start the design process or you hire a graphic designer to do the design process for you, they have a very solid idea of what you want to have inside of your t-shirt business. Next up is our final t-shirt design. So you're going to actually create your designs for your t-shirt business. There are a lot of different websites you can use to design your shirts. I use canva.com to design my shirts. You can use Photoshop. If you want to hire somebody, you can use 99 Designs, Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. to design your shirts. Just put together your shirts. I actually recommend only starting off your t-shirts with about 4 different shirts, because I have found that when I offer my audience too many shirts and too many options, they don't buy. They get too overwhelmed. So I scaled way down, so only offered 4 shirts at a time rather than I used to offer 12 at a time. So go ahead and create your designs and put them here. And if you want to include anything else, I put here my line will include. So my line actually includes mugs, it includes hats, it includes artwork. So if you want to include things like that, write them here so that you'll remember to design those when you actually are building your t-shirt collection online. So now that you have your t-shirt designs, now it's time to find your printer. So this section in the PDF is your t-shirt printer. You're going to write down your website that you're using for your t-shirt printer, your username, and the password. There are a lot of on-demand t-shirt printers online that you can use. So just search on-demand t-shirt printers online, take a look at what they do, get samples from everybody, see who has the best quality, the best shipping time, and make your selection. You're going to also want to compare prices as well. That's what I did. I tested about 4 or 5 different on-demand printers before I chose my printer. So when you choose your printer, just write down your website name, their website name, the username you chose for them, the password you chose for them, and do this because you're not going to be uploading new designs to the printer's website too often. So if you don't write it down, you may forget. That happened to me. Now here you're going to put your shirt styles. As far as branding goes, you're going to want to maintain consistent quality no matter what different t-shirt designs you offer. So write down the styles that you tend to choose and like. If you like, I think it's called American Apparel or Gideon or Bella Canvas, there are a lot of different options. Just write down the styles that you prefer, and that way you can always keep that consistent when you offer new shirts in your business. Now, this final part of our t-shirt business plan PDF is your launch plan for your t-shirt business. A lot of people will create a t-shirt business that's amazing and then never tell anybody about it. Don't do that. Plan your launch. Plan out how you're going to launch your t-shirt business, what your launch strategy is, when you're going to post. So this says my handle name is, my weekly social media posting schedule is on Monday. It says time, type of post, subject, content, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. So put all of that there for your marketing strategy. And then here at the last part of our workbook, I put my 6-month goal for my business is, and write down what your legend goal is for your t-shirt business, action steps you're going to take to get there, post a visual image of you achieving your goal, and Write down, I will succeed because, and put that statement here so that every time you get discouraged, you will remind yourself that it's possible for you to launch your t-shirt business. Now, I have the Got the Girl School of Business that will teach you how to do this step by step with your Launch Your T-Shirt Business Masterclass. When you join the masterclass, you will get this entire PDF that you can download, print out, fill out. Or if you just want to purchase, wrong link. If you just want to purchase the Launch Your T-Shirt Business Masterclass, you can grab it by going to godlywoodgirl.com/collection/masterclass/product/launch your t-shirt business masterclass. I'll put the link in the description box below this video. When you get the masterclass, you're going to get that workbook I just showed you. They're going to get the whole PDF master plan. In addition, you're going to learn how to start your online t-shirt business, how to design your shirts, how to manufacture your shirts, how to find your printer, how to sell your shirts online, how to market your shirts. In addition, you're also going to get a digital copy of it so you'll have it forever. You're going to have the Launch Your T-Shirt Business checklist to keep you on track, and you're going to get the Launch Your T-Shirt Business workbook that I just showed you. And as a bonus for signing up, you also get the Purposepreneur sweatshirt that I offer here at Godly Wood Girl. It's such a cool sweatshirt. I love wearing this bad boy. And you can grab your copy grab your copy of the masterclass by clicking the link in the description box of this video.
Sister of Christ, if you like this video, please hit that like button below and share this video with at least one woman of Christ who you know wants to start her own t-shirt business. And if you're ready to start living God's purpose for your life, comment below, I am purpose, so that I can connect with you as we get started on this journey of purpose. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to my God the Girl YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for, girl? My goal with the God the Girl YouTube channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and I'll see you here at God the Girl.